What is up, Mr. Crazy 1870, and yup, today we're checking out the UE HYPERBOOM. Now, out the box, it is pretty much going to mimic the UE Roll, the UE Mega Boom, and I think the UE Boom as far as the actual design. So this one here is obviously a bigger version, same style, same rugged, protected ports, rubberized handle design. Now, obviously, this is meant for you to take it with you wherever you go. Portability is big, which again, out the box, for me, I was really happy and impressed with the actual build and design and overall general feel and look of the actual speaker. I'm a big fan of UE myself. So UE, if you guys are listening to this, if you guys make a blue color, just like the UE Mega Boom, but in the HYPERBOOM version, that would have been the icing on the cake for me. So obviously here on the side you have a built-in handle, which obviously has some Ultimate Ears branding, but again, I'm a big fan of this actual handle because it just makes it very easy for you to maneuver and transport and just, in plain words, carry around. But here at the bottom is another built-in port, which again, it has a rubber design, which is a seal to the main actual unit. But here are your ins and outs. You have your service input, aux out, optical port, and your auxiliary, and obviously your power input, which is what you're gonna use the included power brick that came inside the box to charge up this actual device. So one of the coolest features of this speaker, it having a built-in USB port, is because of this feature right here. So let's say my iPhone is running low for whatever reason, I could simply just hook up my charger like this, boom boom, and then hook up my iPhone, and bang, now my iPhone is charging. So again, this is a really cool useful feature because I know there's been times where I'm at a little barbecue or whatever and I want to play some music, but my phone's gonna die. This is where I could listen and stream to music and have my iPhone charging at the same time. One of the dopest features that I could say about this actual speaker right here. So if we look at the actual top, now that's where your main controls are gonna be located at. So you have this large circle right here, which again, if you press it, it's gonna go ahead and turn on the actual speaker. You'll have two large volume up and volume down buttons. So again, that's gonna go ahead and control your volume up and down, which again, they're very, very easy to control and press. They're also very responsive. I have no issues when it came to that. But there's also another little section right here. So again, you have two Bluetooth channels per se on this actual device. So right now I'm on Bluetooth 1, but let's say my son comes and he wants to go ahead and connect. He can go ahead and use the Bluetooth 2 option and hook up if he would like. You also have two other modes, which again is auxiliary and your optical. The modes on the button are right here. So again, this is where you're gonna go ahead and access them if you choose to do so. All right, so we're all set up. I got a cool little track that I'm about to play for you guys. And I'm all hooked up to the HYPERBOOM, so let's go ahead and give you guys a cool little sound demo. That way you guys can get an idea of the actual quality that you're gonna get from this bad boy right here. So right now I'm like not all that maxed out on the volume. can see, the actual controls are very easy to access and to control. There's no struggle on that. There's also a UE app that you're able to control and adjust. A couple other actual settings on here: power, volume, up and down here as well. Your Bluetooth controls, and also some music here towards the bottom. You can also hook up another HYPERBOOM to it as well, which again, that's gonna go ahead and give you some super amazing sound, if you ask me. You also have some EQ settings that you can also adjust if you wish to do so. Now, really quick, honestly, the whole fact of it being so small, honestly, I was really happy with the actual sound quality. It filled up the whole actual room, this actual room right here, with sound. It also gives you a really good amount of bass if you guys are into that. Although I kind of wish that it was just a little bit more amp, a little bit more volume to it, but nonetheless, I was really happy with the actual sound that this bad boy right here gave me. So I also forgot to mention that here at the top, you also have a built-in microphone here at the top. Now this also is splash and waterproof, which is really cool for those of you guys that have a pool or want to take it to the beach or the pool area. Again, this is going to be splash and waterproof. Now, according to their site, this has a built-in battery that's supposed to last about 24 hours of battery life. Honestly, there's still a little bit more testing that I have to do, because I fully charged this overnight and I used it to work out, I think 3 days or 4 days, and I work out about an hour and a half a day. So today it kind of alerted me that it was low in battery, or it was 50% or 30% or something like that. But again, it gave me an alert that the battery was low. So again, there's still some more testing that I have to do in regards to the battery life. But again, nonetheless, I think it's really dope. Although it is a little up there in price. I think it will set you back about $399 if I'm not mistaken. But again, it is pretty dope, fully featured. I have no issues with the actual Bluetooth or any functionality of the actual speaker, and I actually really enjoyed the actual sound. Now the only thing is that I do use a 700 watt system here in my space, but again, maybe I'm just used to the higher wattage. But again, this kind of gave me half of that. At least it sounded like it. But again, it sounded really good, and I was really happy at the fact of, you know, how portable it is. And actually the sound actually sounded really good as well. So any questions, leave them in the comments below. Feel free to check out the 2 latest videos. Check out the site, LooneyTechTV.com. If you guys want to follow me on social media or add me on PSN, you guys could check all that out over there at LooneyTechTV.com. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach me. Again, the contact tab over there at the site as well. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.